Frank's Kool-Aid and garlic salt bait. We have used chicken nuggets, but this has been the best for us. Kind of just gonna go through it. I hope you guys like and subscribe. If you guys have any questions or concerns regarding this video, please put it on your comments. I'll get back to you guys, but we're gonna go fishing today. So first thing you do is you wash your hands, of course. Then I just kind of cut these up. We're gonna probably go fishing for like a couple hours, nothing crazy, probably 2 hours. And I usually just take a few, and I usually let's take at least half of them. I usually put them right here, and then and I just cut them a pretty decent size so we can get them on the hook. Doesn't really matter the size. If I really want big fish, I usually cut it like right there, like that. But like my brother's gonna be fishing for medium-sized fish. I'll be fishing for large fish, just to have some fun. Catch and release. All the fishing videos that we do is catch and release, except the ones if we go to the lake or actually go sea fishing. So that's the first step. Get the Franks out, cut them up, put them in the bag. Just throw all these bad boys in here. Maybe. So that's the second step. Get them all in the bag. This is going to be our bait bag for our fishing trip. And then we just add some little bit of garlic. There's a lot of people that do certain things. We just keep it kind of original. But this is what has been working for us. They recommend you to really get that garlic there. Basically, just add the Kool-Aid. You just do this, and then you add the goods. I actually watched this bait stuff on YouTube from other fishermen, and I thought it was pretty crazy, and it's not gonna work, but it works. So that's why I'm doing this video for you guys. Hopefully we catch some good fish tonight. We will be fishing. I hope you like and subscribe to our channel. We'll be doing more videos. Fish, man.
Hey, bro.
Huh?
Where's the string?
Oh, there it goes. I got one, bro. Oh, hey. Here. What do you think it is?
Has to be a giant catfish.
No, it's not that. It's probably mid-size.
Ooh. Hey, what do I do with this dude?
Really?
Yep, good mid-size.
Look at that. Check this out.
Alright,
This guy's putting on fire. Just let him go, no?
the bluegill? Yeah.
There we go. We got one at least.
Yeah.
Check that out. As long as we got one, man. Let it go, bro. Let it go. Let it go.
You gonna choke him?
No. Got him. I got him. Check this guy out. Catch and release.
I'm gone.